What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Drive My Whip. As you can see behind me, and some people making fun of me on the side. Want to catch some people on the side?
Hello.
Y'all might know who these people are. I'm gonna throw their Instagrams.
I'm not going to where they're going, just so you know. I'm going home.
We got you.
Wait, hey, he's gonna drop his Instagram right there. Right here.
Where? Oh, right there.
So we got the Infinity Gang pulling up. Most of them, nice VQs. That looks like, that's Vamp. I'm gonna be hosting some sliding lessons going on. I wanna show some guys how to do donuts. Now for you drifters out there that are looking at this and about to laugh about why do you need to know how to do donuts, everybody starts somewhere. So we're starting off with how to do some donuts for you. I brought out some guys who are not experienced at all. Sometimes, some of these guys, this is their first time. Other guys, they've been doing this a long time. I got some guys behind me that hopefully I get some tandems in with tonight. We do have a private property location that we have permission to be there, so I want to shout out to that owner for allowing us to do that. That's awesome. We got everything from open diffs, LSDs, to welded differentials. I'm gonna be explaining the differences of each car, be talking to some of the drivers, and we'll see just where everybody's experience levels are at. The Rod Knock Rocket is still here. It's still hanging in there. I'm trying to kill this thing and it just won't die. We have gone 6,000 miles on this rod knocking engine and it just will not die. We're gonna send it again tonight and maybe we'll get a piston through the block, maybe we won't. I'm not sure. One of my dear friends just pulled up. I'm gonna drop his Instagram right here. He's fine. This is his Mustang right here. What kind of engine you got in it?
The 2.3 liter EcoBoost.
This is the 2.3 liter? Damn, he just got a fake cover on it?
Yeah.
So his 5.0 Mustang is Phi. It's a California edition, all stock, LSD in the rear end, manual transmission. Let's take a look at it real quick. Sheesh! Only 12,000 miles on the dash. Must be nice. I got like 250,000 on this motor. We got a badass 370Z right here. He's Phi, LSD rear end, automatic 370 Sport. It's such a beautiful car. He's been in a bunch of my videos. Now, ladies, I must say, before you go ahead and DM him because of his nice car, I'm gonna have to let you know he is taken. Another Mustang here. This one is not the 5.0, as you can tell from the side. Got a 3.7 in it. So what have you done to this?
It's completely stock.
All stock? Is it?
Stock.
What is the rear end? Is it open diff, LSD?
It's a rear. I think it's LSD. Yeah.
It's LSD?
Yeah.
That's nice. Do you swing a lot? Is it automatic? Is it manual?
Oh, it's automatic.
Automatic?
Yeah.
Do you swing a lot or no?
Oh yeah. I swing behind the warehouses and everything.
As you see, we actually have a sedan G35 out here today. I don't see many sedans. What's up, dude? What's your name? I'm gonna throw your Instagram right here. So is this saying manual, automatic?
It's automatic. A lot of people hate it.
Is it open diff, LSD, or?
I don't even know.
Since it does have the X, when you guys see that it has an X, it is all-wheel drive. So never mind, ignore what I just said. But we'll hopefully see some flames from this thing. Whose car is this? I heard she be swinging.
Instagram right here, bro. Hey, yo, the Instagram.
If y'all don't already know, that's my beautiful wife, Miss Demon Time. I'll throw her Instagram right there. While you go back to playing Uno, I'm gonna go find more people to interview. Found my twin with better paint, and he has some stickers on it, which means he is now cooler than me because he's part of actual car crews, and nobody even likes me. I'm gonna throw his Instagram right here, and what are we looking at?
This is the 03 G35 engine, stock as hell.
So it's all stock, manual, automatic.
Automatic. I wish it was manual, but
Is it open diff or LSD?
open diff, but you know,
It's still, oh yeah. So he has an LSD, hasn't put it in yet, so it's open diff for tonight. So we got open diff automatic G, which is literally the polar opposite of mine, being a manual transmission with a welded diff. So it'll be very interesting to see this car. Are you gonna be getting it sideways?
Yeah. I'm
Okay.
loading tires.
He's gonna get it sideways, and we're gonna get to see the differences between the way this car slides versus the way mine slides, just purely based on, since they're the same car with different drivetrains. I think this is the first HR I've interviewed tonight. It's actually really fucking clean. So you got an automatic?
Yeah, it's an automatic.
So automatic HR with an LSD rear end. We were talking about it off camera, that's why I know. So are you gonna try to throw this car sideways a little bit?
We'll see. I think so, yeah.
And what would you say your experience level is?
3 or 4 times.
3 or 4 times?
Yeah, pretty
Nice. Okay, so the owner of the car is a little too lit. Now he's unlocked it, so we're just gonna inspect it. See. So this car is an 08. It's got the HR, right?
Yes.
Automatic HR. Is it a LSD?
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
It's a LSD? Nice. If there's anything going on behind me, I need you guys desperately let me know in the comments that somebody is doing some weird shit behind me while I'm doing this. Anyway. Y'all didn't let me know fast enough. Maybe I should have made this video a live video, but anyway. We interviewed a lot of the drivers. We got some more pulling up. We're gonna hang out for a little bit. As far as skill levels go, from what we heard from everybody, we've got some good drivers, and we got some people who only did a few times. So we're gonna head to that spot, and then we're going to just see how each driver does, let them go one at a time, and just see how it goes. Just pulled up to our little spot right here. It's actually not a little spot, it's a giant piece of concrete. Big thanks to the guys letting us have permissions out here. Technically we don't have noise permission, so we'll try to keep it down. We're gonna have some of these cars light up the actual area so we get some good filming in. As far as this goes, I mean, pretty much every driver's gonna get a chance here. Drivers of all skill levels. We're gonna see just how good some of these guys are and who actually needs some tips. All right, we're gonna have the G37 go up first. So notice when he was going a little bit close in, it would stay as an open differential, so only one wheel was burning. Don't give them the sneak peek. Only one wheel would be burning. Until he got it out wider, it would start to lock up and actually both wheels would start spinning. That's common with an LSD, you have to go wider. So for him, he always has to go wide. I think that was first gear as well, I'm gonna ask him. Let's see if we can find another driver. Blue Mustang going in the pit. Oh my god. We got a little close. Hold on, Donnie. Alright, never mind, don't hold on. Alright, we're gonna have the Black 370 come up next. He usually slides in first gear. He said he's gonna try it in second. This is his first time in second gear. This is an experienced driver with first gear. Nice second gear. That was second. Good job, buddy. We just got the headlights reset. We're gonna have Mr. Lyft Driver go. Now this guy, experienced guy, LSD 5.0, he goes super wide, and he just said that this is probably gonna be the widest he's ever gone. So I'm gonna stand back and we'll see how it does. All right, this guy goes wide as fuck. There you go. Both ways or don't count. He's pretty much ready for the track at this point. All right, our first G is pulling into the wall. Our first G35 is pulling into the pit. Automatic, open diff. We need to cancel that. nice, pretty purple Z's going. Actually, let me stand the foot fast. We're gonna have to talk with him later. I was gonna say, with yours, I mean, honestly, how wide are your tires?
They are 275, I think.
275? That's why it doesn't want to go sideways.
That could be true. I mean, I didn't mean to come out on these tires, but this is what I have on there right now.
I say, for y'all watching, so he's got a 275 wide tire, which makes them really wide, really sticky, with an open differential, which, if you guys don't know what that is, check out this other video. That's why he's having trouble getting the car sideways, understeering. I was saying maybe try, like, I know, well, smaller tires is gonna help a lot.
Yeah.
Like if you threw some stocks on there and they're almost bald, I bet you'd always throw it sideways.
For sure. I mean, when I had stocks on there, it would go sideways a little bit more, but.
Nah, man, you gonna hit somebody.
Don't say that. Don't say that.
Yo, I'm telling you. Blow it up. I'll go home and get the trailer.
This is fucking Jehovah Witness. 7 a.m.
Oh my God. God. Boy. Bruh.
Who the fuck jinxed it? You said You said nobody. Right at lip. How did it feel, sir, to almost die?
Well, I was trying to get out there, get a perfect view, the side by the passenger side, just perfect. Next thing I know, you fucking straighten out.
That was a good one.
That shit blew out.
I thought it was. I was like, yes! Let's see, put the light up.
Yeah, check that out. Check that out. Woo! That's all out. Nothing.
You know?
Drip my whip pit crew. That's what losing.
Woo! Check that out.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a pop, all right. Alright. We got the tires changed. Everybody heading out. See, look, this is a good spot. Alright, most of everybody's heading out. I don't know. But we got the tires changed on the G. Got a lot of good sliding in. The G is now dirty again. Just left that spot. We're at Quick Trip getting some gas now. Oh, look who it is. What's up? How you doing, buddy?
This fucking rat.
Oh my God. Look at this. He's got all of it wrapped around himself, or his suspension. All of it wrapped around his suspension. Well, while you deal with that, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog. All right, that was an extremely successful time. Lots of people got a chance to swing who's never swung it before. People learning how to do donuts out there. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram because I post on my story when we're doing stuff like this. So if you missed it, it's all right. I'm gonna be doing another one. Like I said, big shout out to the property owner letting us do that. Hopefully we weren't too loud. There ain't nothing around, so it's all good. Wait, look at what came off of his, look at what came off of his tire. If you guys want this, I'm gonna be giving this part of a giveaway. This and that air filter from the last video that I think I already threw up in the corner. But anyway, guys, that's pretty much gonna be all of it tonight. I'm gonna go ahead and go hang out with Miss Carla again. But thank you guys so much for coming out. All of you who did. Anyone who wants to come out next time, you already know what to do. Make sure to subscribe and like this video. And also, I will see y'all on the next episode of Jeremiah Whip. Peace.